Okay, you riders. It's Saturday morning. I'm LA area rider, soon to be LA e-rider because we got a new bike. This is Alibaba QS273. We're not going to talk about the watts right now. And we're going to put it together. Front wheels over here. Here's the bike in the crate. We're going to put it together. We got the forks on. Now we're doing the front wheel. Okay, we got the forks on. And we're doing the stem. I had another stem from another bike that is a bit bigger and more adjustable, so we're going to put that other stem on and put the handlebars on. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's the handlebars. Handlebars go on the stem. Handlebar mount. It's a little bit adjustable, so it's going to go a little bit better for them than the one that came with it. One thing I haven't seen is the charger, which I'm kind of concerned about, but hopefully it's here because I don't see a charger anywhere. Okay, so we're putting the front brake on now. We got the tire on, the forks are on, the stem is on. I had another stem from a different bicycle, so it's a bit more, a little taller, a little bit more adjustable. And here's the display, on and off. And we're putting the front brakes on. These are 4-piston Tektro brakes. Okay, so we got the front brake on. We got the brake cable through this little holder on the forks here. And then we're adjusting some zip ties on the fork guards. This is the front brake here. Adjusting the brakes.
Gonna do the shock.
Alright, now we're going to do the back shock. Doesn't come attached, so we're going to attach the rear shock. It's a D&M Burner 2. It goes into this little side bracket there. So now we're putting the battery in.
God, and you're supposed to put that blocking in there? It doesn't look like there's any room.
There'll be room, and it was in there to begin with. I have pictures of it. We got the shock on attached.
I guess you have to put the blocking in and then force the battery.
And then we're trying to squeeze the battery in here. Need some help? You good? Thanks, Mike. It's going. It's going. There we go. It's going. All right. Battery is going in. Bitchin'.
I don't think that's going to move at all.
And the charger and pedals were, and the brake light, I guess there's a brake light somewhere, so I think it's right there. The brake light were inside the battery compartment. It's going to go on my new channel, which would be LA e-bike rider, because area rider is going to not work with this bike, is it? So it's going to be LA e-bike rider.
Okay.
Which means new title, new shirts. You guys will get shirts for sure. Advertise LA e-bike rider.
I'll wear anything for free.
I'm giving you a shirt. There's your payment. You got it?
Yeah.
So that pad is weird. What they expect me to do with all this?
Because that's going to go on the... Alright, so we're fitting the side panel with some foam pads to keep the battery from jiggling around inside the battery. So we got the pads on, we got the side panel on, we turned it on, we hit the power button, it's got a full power on the battery, turns up, and now we're going to do the chain. We got to put the chain back on the sprocket, and then the headlight worked, we turn that on, we got to attach the headlight, and then the seat and the brake light, and we're looking good. Okay, we got Mike joining us today, checking out the new bike. We got some flat out, we just put in the tires that we're adding for front and back, flat out tire sealant, proven best. We got the forks on, we got the tire on, we got the brakes on, we put the battery in the battery case, we put the back light on and the seat on, we got the rear suspension on, we're adding air to the rear tire here. There's Mike's Grizzly. Mike's Grizzly, the new SS30 Blackbird. We'll call it Blackbird for now. I don't know what else to call it. We're going to call it the Blackbird. Okay, so we got it done. We got the QS273 4T. We got the D&M rear suspension. We got the brake light, the seat. We got these nice fancy red pedals that I liked a little better. They pop. We got the front wheel on. The front headlight is on. The handlebars on, the forks are on, the 4-piston brakes are on, pedal, and let's see if we just turn it on, hold the button, display comes up, full charge, take it for a test ride, make sure it's okay.